Good morning friends, welcome to our channel TDS News. I am here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Good news from Chennai for the supporters of Jharkhand Education Minister Jagannath Mahto on the 7th day of Navratri. On the 7th day of Navratri, good news came for Jharkhand. Education Minister Jagannath Mahto from MGM Super Speciality Hospital, Chennai. MGM doctors said that Jagannath Mahto's condition is stable, nothing to worry about. His lungs have suffered a lot, so it will take time for him to recover. But now there is no need to worry or panic. Youth of Jharkhand becoming the soldier of PM Modi's Self-Reliant India campaign by cultivating flowers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Self-Reliant India campaign has taken the form of mass movement across the country. The youth of Jharkhand are also participating in it. A young farmer of Hisatu village of Angada block of capital Ranchi is cultivating flowers. He has also given employment to many people. This young farmer has described himself as the soldier of PM Modi's Self-Reliant India movement. Ravan Dahan will not be celebrated in Gumla this time due to corona infection. 61-year-old tradition will be broken. 61 years tradition is going to break in Gumla. This year Ravana combustion program will not be held in Gumla city. The Gumla administration has banned the burning of Ravana at the Paramveer Alba Tikka Stadium. Because of this, there will be no burning of Ravana anywhere in the city. There is anger among the Puja committee of Gumla due to ban of Ravana combustion, but they are not able to express their anger openly due to the government guidelines. Railways to start Bags on Wheels service will deliver goods from home to station. Indian Railways is going to start a great service for its passenger. Through this, the passengers will get rid of the hassle of carrying their luggage. The name of this new facility of railways is Bags and Wheels. Through this new service, railway passengers will get rid of the worry of transporting their goods from home to the station, because now your railway will transport your goods from your home to the station. Through the final recognition system, the marksheet of CBSE will now be downloaded. CBSE has launched a system called Financial Recognition System. With the help of this system, students of 10th and 12th will be able to download certificates without Aadhaar number and mobile number. Earlier, CBSE has to upload 12 crore digital educational documents on DG Locker and Purniyam Manjusha. These mainly include mark sheets, certificates and migration letters. This face recognition system will prove to be effective on such occasion when Aadhaar numbers or mobile number is not available. Reinstallment of 4,000 for constable posts in Madhya Pradesh. MPPEB Bhopal has issued a notification for the recruitment of constable in police department of the state government. A total of 4,000 vacancies will be recruited in the audio and general duties sub-department of the department. Interested and eligible candidates for these posts can fill the online application form through the official website MPPEB. Indigenous Development Covaxin gets approved for Phase 3 clinical trial. It is known that in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, India Biotech company has developed the vaccine. Bharat Biotech presented the animal challenge data along with the trial data for the first and second phase of corona vaccine. After seeing all the data, the Drug Control General of India has approved the third phase trial. Xiaomi sold 50 lakh smartphones in week of festival sale. Smartphone company MI India has sold 50 lakh phones in a week during the festive sale. This company gave this information on Friday. E-commerce company Flipkart and Amazon starting their first festive sale in the current year from 16 October. Banks will remain closed for 3 days from today. Banks will remain closed for 3 days from Saturday on the occasion of Durga Puja. The bank will now open only on Tuesday. During this time, the cash crisis will be removed from the ATM. Sufficient cash has been filled in the ATM. Refilling at the ATM will continue after the cash runs out during holidays. There will be no cash crisis. AD's big action against Ranchi hotel owner who messed up a coal mine allegation. The Enforcement Directorate has attached rupees 11.92 lakh lying in an account of Axis Bank of Hotel Lee Lak in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. This action has been taken under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. This case is related to the irregularity in allocations of coal mine in Bokaro district of Jharkhand. New agencies ANI has tweeted and told that IDI has so far seized rupees 7 crore in this case. According to the information received from trusted sources, the Central Bureau of Investigation has logged an FIR in this regard against Messrs. Domco Private Limited and its owners and directors and other unknown persons. Do jobs in army, salary in lakhs. If you want to serve the country by joining the army, then there is a golden opportunity for you. Recruitment is being held in many positions in the Indian Army. Indian Army has recruited for 191 different posts, in which those joining will get a salary according to the 7th pay scale. November 12 has been the last date to submit a form or application for any army job. COVID-19 updates. Most of the people affected by the global epidemic are elderly. If we look at the statistics of the health department, we will find that more than 75% of the people who have been died in corona so far are aged. Statistics show that 435 people between the age of 51 to 70 have died so far, which is 50.64% of the total death. If people above the age of 70 die from corona are added to it, then the death tolls rises to 650. On Friday, the state government has released the report till October 20, 2020, in which a total of 859 people have been reported dead. Weather updates. With the return of monsoon from Jharkhand, the entire state will start feeling cold. It has returned from capital Ranchi, and a day or two the entire monsoon will depart from Jharkhand. Even before this, the cold has knocked all over the Jharkhand, including Ranchi. The temperature is still slightly above normal, but soon it is going to go below normal. Fuel prices: petrol up to rupees 80.73 and diesel up to rupees 74.58 with a stability. Special about today: on 24th October 2008, Bloody Friday, saw many of the world's stock exchanges experience the worst declines in their history, with drops of around 10% in most indices. On 2018, Indian cricketer Virat Kohli became the 12th and the fastest ever score 1000 runs in one day international match, taking about 205 innings. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.